Hello and welcome today. Today we are going to start sixth chapter formatting in MS PowerPoint 2010. How to apply indents. Indenting feature move a paragraph or the first line to a specific number of places from the left or right margin. Let us follow this step to apply indenting. Step 1. Select the paragraph you want to give indent to. Step 2. Drag the left line indent marker toward the right side. Step 3. In order to give an indent to the indent first line of a paragraph, drag the first line indent marker toward right side. Chart in PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint 2010 is used for representing information in the form of the numeric data. You can also represent numeric data in graphical formats. This representation is called chart or graph. Chart is a effective way to display the data in pictorial form. Chart makes it easier to make comparisons. It display growth relationship among the values and trends in data. Components of charts. Chart area. The chart area include all the area and all the object in the chart. Category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis. The matter that is compared and presented in the chart comes under it. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Data series are the bars, slices or other elements that show the data values. Categories name. The category names are the labels displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. Plot area. The plot area is the window in the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and the value axis. Legend. It depicts the colors, pattern or the symbols assignment to the data series. Creating a chart. Follow the given step to create chart on a slide. In PowerPoint, click the placeholder into which you want to insert a chart or graph. Do one of the following. First, on the Insert tab in the illustration group, click Chart. Second, on the Insert tab in the ribbon, you can insert a chart. In the placeholder, click Insert Chart button image. Click on the chart or group type that you want and click OK. A Microsoft Excel worksheet with some sample data opens in a new window. Okay, next one, types of charts. Different types of charts are available in the PowerPoint. Some of the most commonly used charts are: first, column chart. It is a commonly used chart type on display the data in the form of vertical bar. It is used to represent change in data over time. Second number, bar chart. This chart display data in the form of long rectangular bars that are placed horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparison among individual items. Line chart. This chart is in the form of lines and display continuous change in the data over a period of time. It is very similar to plotting a graph on the graph paper with its value on the x-axis and y-axis. Pie chart. This chart displayed data in the form of the circle. It shows the proportional size of item that makes up a data series to the sum of item. It shows only one data series and useful when we wish to imparison a signification implement. Thank you.